Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 8 of our English language book, that is, I am, are, was and verb. So students, these words are how correctly we will be using in English language. We will learn today in this chapter. So let's begin. Underline the being verbs in the paragraph. So students, these words are called being verb. So what are these words exactly? We will learn more about in the given para, which is given here. Right? Other is from Asansol. So what is the word? That is. But Piyu and Isaac are from Cuttack. Asansol and Cuttack are both towns in eastern India. So another word is are. Okay students? Then Cuttack are both towns in eastern India. So are is the being verb here. Kandy is a city in Sri Lanka. So here is. It's called being verb. Then Nupur was in Kandy during winter vacations. So again was is called being verbs. Adir, Piyu and Isaac are friends. So here are means are is a being word. They were in the same class last year. So were is the being verbs. Isaac is now in a different section. So here is again. They still meet all the time. So again there is no being verb word over here. So we'll go with the another line. Piyu asked, I am free this Saturday. Are you free too? So here is I am. And here are. You free today. That is are is the being verbs. So this is how we have understood that these words are called being verbs. So let us understand more about these words. You have learned that I, is, am, are, was and were are being verbs. The choice of being verb depends upon which time is being talked about, who is speaking, and the number of people being spoken about. So students, let's learn this table like now and before. That means when we are talking about the present and the and then we are talking about the past. So let's begin. He, she, it, singular nouns, that is, we will use is. And in the before, we will use was. Then I, am, was. These are the words, am is used for now and before we will use for was. We, they, you, plural nouns are now. When we are talking about the now, then that is are. And we will be using for before, that is were. Okay students? So let's do another exercise. Let's begin with it. So here we can see another exercise. So let's do it and we will understand more about the being verbs. So there is and are 12 months in a year. So we will be using plural. Okay, so that means we'll mark are. There are 12 months in a year. That means that is a plural word. So we'll be using are. Then second one, who, am/is your class teacher. So that is a singular one. So we'll be using is. Who is your class teacher. Then again, what are or is your favorite color. So this also is the singular one. Then we will be underlining is your favorite color. Then the fourth one, are, am you not sure about it. So in this, are you not sure about it. Okay, so that is singular one. Then fifth one, the water are or is not fit for drinking. So that means the water is not fit for drinking. That is singular one. So again there is another one. These books are or is very useful for students. So we'll be using are that because it says plural for the books. So these books are very useful for students. Okay students? So let's begin with the another exercise. Fill in the blanks with was and were. So again in this, was we will be using for one and were will be using for many. Okay? So let's begin. First one. Our cook dash a nice person. So our cook was a nice person. So that is, it's a one person, so we'll be using was for it. Again, second, it dash an amazing journey. So what was an amazing journey? Yes student, it was an amazing journey. So we'll be writing here was. Third one, those girls dash nice and kind. So those girls will be using were because it is asking for the girls, that is plural. There are many girls. So we will be writing here were like this. Okay. Then the fourth one, what dash the price of that ring. So that is exactly students, that is for one. So we will be writing here was. That is only a one thing that we will be writing for one. That what was the price of that ring. Then again, fifth one, they dash happy with their results. So that means we are talking of many people. So we will be writing here were. Okay students. Then sixth one, she dash asleep when they came. So again we are talking about the single person. So she was asleep when they came. Okay students, this is how we'll be doing these exercises. Now we'll do the another exercise. Fill in the blanks with was, were, are, am, is in these sentences. These are there can be more than one correct answer. So students, we can use more than one correct answer. So let's understand how. Whom dash you talking to? So in this we will be using are and were. I'll tell you how. Are and were. Okay students? So whom are you talking to and whom were you talking to? That means we are using both the tenses. That means present tense and the past tense. Okay students? So let's understand better with the next one. Who dash the leader of that group. So in this we can use both the tenses, that is the present, and was, that is past. So is, who is the leader of that group, and if you will be using was like this, who was the leader of that group, like this. Again the third one, they dash busy all day. So again are and were. Okay students? So they are busy all day long. Okay students? That is the present one. And when we are talking about the past one, that is they were busy all day long. Okay students? Then another one, both Seema and Afzal were many friends. Okay students? So we will be using here are and were both. So we will be using were and are. So both Seema and Afzal were many friends, and both Seema and Afzal are friends. Okay students? So let's begin with the another one. The weather dash nice today. So yes, was and is. Was and is. Okay students, the weather was nice today and the weather is nice today. So both the tenses, present and the past. So Juno dash 8 years old. So Juno was 8 years old and Juno is 8 years old. Okay? And seventh one. How many of you dash ready for the play? How many you were ready for the play and how many are ready for the play? Okay? Then the another one, eighth one. We dash happy to see them today. Okay? So we were happy to see them today and we are happy to see them today. Okay students, so this is how we have come to the end of this chapter, and I hope students you have understood this chapter.